I'd like to use this design to demonstrate the importance of the zoom extents option in landscape design work. The zoom extents tool is found under View and this top one. So if I click it now, nothing appears to happen, but if I happen to scroll out, I'm using the wheel of the mouse and then come back to View Zoom Extents. You can see it pushes my view out to its maximum. Represents, in this case, of course, a piece of paper. This happens to be the sheet of paper. If we use the Layouts Manager, it is rather unusually an A0. It's a very large sheet of paper and not commonly held in your own design studio. You may have to go out to a print centre to get a sheet that size. But I digress. I wanted to illustrate this tool. If I go into moelspace, and here we are in moelspace, you can see that the plant schedule is in this area here, how to plant mature and new shrubs and trees are there, and these are all included in the view of the rear garden. So we're in moelspace now, and if I come up and say show me zoom extents, I go way out. So immediately I suspect that there is something or other in this area out here, and we find two pieces of text, and I click on one of them and it says Google independently the position of the gazebo is correct based on the below location. This designer has used symbols on the internet, and that often, when you incorporate those into a landscape design drawing, often gives problems. So we'll say OK, but we'll delete those two, and then we'll just make sure by rolling out and using a crossing window, and there's one more. And now if we try zoom extents, regen, zoom extents, we appear to have got there because we're jammed at the top and bottom. So we've removed some errant text, and that's outside the scope of this drawing, but it confirms that our designer has brought symbols in from, well, sources that we have no control over and just incorporated those into the drawing. And I'm not sure that is a wise approach. So zoom extents, well worth coming to terms with. There are other options. Zoom previous takes you there. Zoom selected objects. So if we select this particular object, view and zoom selected, we go straight in there. So there's some useful tools there to help you